Have you been trying to shed those extra pounds and get in shape faster? Sure, you've already lost a few pounds, and you're pumped and excited, but it feels like you've hit a wall. All those cardio and diet restrictions don't seem to be working as well as you thought they would. And you end up thinking, why am I not losing weight? Well, worry no more, because you're not alone. In this video, you will know 8 reasons why you are not losing weight and how to fix them. 1. You are not keeping track of what you put in your diet. Your food intake is one of the top reasons why you're not losing weight anymore. Fat loss is basically an equation of using up more calories than you put in your body. When people ask, how can I lose weight, the first question that fitness trainers ask is, well, how much are you eating? After the initial weight loss, a lot of people tend to celebrate by having too many cheat days, or just indulging in those carb-rich foods. Make sure that your exercise regime is not outweighed by a diet that gives you more carbs than your body needs. 2. You're not eating enough protein. Protein, as you probably know, is one of the most critical nutrients in the body. The nutrient boost that you get from protein is worth several hundred calories from other food items. So if your protein intake is low, naturally, your cravings keep growing. This happens because your body isn't getting the type of nutrition it needs to keep up with your workout routine. Protein has regulating effects on the hormones that control your appetite. A high-protein meal will keep you those hunger pangs away, and you can focus on your workout without struggling for food. 3. Addicted to junk foods. The quality of the food you eat is just as important as the quantity. We live in a time when junk foods are a dime a dozen. They're just everywhere, and it's hard not to give in to all the processed food around you. Trust us on this one, there's nothing like whole foods. Go for wholesome, single-ingredient, organic foods for real energy. Cutting all artificially flavored and processed food will do wonders in your weight loss journey, and you'll end up thinking, why didn't I do this in the first place? 4. You are binge eating. Binge eating is rapidly eating large amounts of food, often much more than your body needs. Binge eating is a common side effect of dieting. You try to control your diet so strictly that you end up starving yourself. Then, you go for the nearest food that's available, and just eat till you're satisfied. Sound familiar? Try your best to avoid binge eating, because it will add calories that may take weeks just to get rid of. 5. You are skipping your cardio. If eating food adds weight to your body, cardio burns it. It's as simple as that. If there's only one thing you take away from this list, let it be this one. You can't lose weight more efficiently than through cardiovascular workouts. Cardio can be any physical activity that gets your heart rate up and active. Cardio can, however, get tiring and exhausting after some time. A lot of people give up or simply cut down on their cardio. Don't be one of those people. Keep up your cardio and watch that scale get lower and lower. 6. Irregular sleeping habits. This one's a no-brainer. But we're still adding sleep to the list because it's just so crucial that you get the right amount of rest. One of the side effects of unhealthy sleeping habits is, you guessed it, weight gain. It will also mess with your metabolism and give you groggy mornings and fatigue throughout the day. This disorientation can even make you eat more than usual because your body isn't at its best. If you don't get a healthy 7 to 8 hour cycle of sleep regularly, you'll keep asking yourself that dreaded question, why am I not losing weight? 7. Drink too much alcohol. Wine, beer, and other sweet alcoholic drinks have a lot of calories in them. Most alcoholic drinks can contain up to 6 to 7 calories in a single gram. Also, cocktails have a lot of ingredients which can include sweeteners that add those extra calories in your drink. Keep it controlled. Sometimes a glass of wine will be fine, but don't overdo it. 8. Set unrealistic expectations for yourself. Weight loss is not a magic trick that makes all the bad things go away. It's science. It's real, practical, and involves a lot of work. This is why you need to set real and practical goals when choosing your exercise routine and your diet restrictions. Weight loss doesn't mean losing the same amount of pounds every week. You can have good days and bad ones, but that's fine. That's what makes us human. Just get back on that bike or treadmill, watch your food intake, get enough rest, and you won't remember how you got from fat to fit. Losing weight is not an easy journey. Improving your body image requires dedication, self-discipline, perseverance and resilience. Combined with an effective program, your weight loss journey will be much more easier. If you are seriously looking for a natural weight loss solution, then we recommend you click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you find our video helpful, don't hesitate to like and share it with your friends.